Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A splash of vinegar adds much-needed tang to potato salad. Vinegar is a common addition in potato salads, but many forget to include it. You can use any kind of vinegar you want, depending on the flavor profile of the dish: apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, red wine vinegar, or even some balsamic vinegar.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What to look for: red, new, or fingerling potatoes are the most common varieties. In between, also known as all-purpose potatoes, these have more starch than waxy potatoes, but will generally work well in most potato dishes, including potato salad.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Consider a little celery seed or some fresh dill. Both add wonderful flavor to a potato salad. Next, you'll want some add-in ingredients. You'll want to add a little color, some crunch, and little seasoning.
Take our lead.
I usually leave the skins on when I make potato salad. I like the spots of color they add to the dish, plus they're thin enough that they're usually quite tender. If you'd prefer to peel your potatoes, it's easiest to boil them whole, then peel them and cut them into chunks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.